Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the camera app and choosing photo or portrait mode. Tap the subject to set autofocus and exposure. You'll feel the instant adjustment. Once the focus square appears, press and hold to lock AE/AF. This prevents refocusing when you recompose. Make sure grid is enabled in settings for alignment and keep the lens clean. Quick actions now set the scene so you can move into precise focusing steps without starting from scratch. Once locked or tapped, refine focus by moving the camera slightly forward or back. Small adjustments change depth of field. After a tap, drag the sun icon to brighten or darken. This lets you balance highlights and shadows. For close-ups, switch to macro or portrait to create background blur. Make sure the subject fills the frame for accurate focus. If motion blurs the shot, increase shutter stability by steadying your hands or using you're ready to capture. With AE/AF locked, recompose and press the shutter or use the volume button for less shake. If focus hunts or won't lock, first wipe the lens and try again. Next, force close camera or restart the phone. Make sure iOS is up to date, and if problems persist, reset camera settings. This clears odd behavior. One quick tip: ambient light strongly affects focus, so add consistent light when shots still miss the mark.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.